Okay, so here's an important distinction here. If you take the square root of 4, you're going to say the answer is 2. Okay. If you solve an equation, x squared equals 4, you have to take the square root of both sides, because that's how you undo the x squared. And you're going to say that x equals plus or minus 2. Right? We did this in chapter 5 when we were solving by taking square roots. Because it is true. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4, just like 2 times 2. Right? But when you see a square root, when they're already presenting you with, here is the square root, you assume that it's the positive square root. We always assume it's the positive square root. It's different than when you're solving an equation and you take the square root of both sides. Okay. When the positive square root is what you call the principal square root. And the truth is, it's not just for square roots, it's for any even root. Because even if I did, for example, the fourth root of 16, right, that answer would be 2. It could be negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. That would still be positive 16. But we're always going to say it's the positive. So anytime it's an even index, you choose the positive, principal square root. Right? This applies to all even roots.